Imagine a smartphone that gives you DSLR-level photography, a battery that lasts for days, and flagship performance all in a sleek, premium design. Moto Edge 70 Pro 5G is here, and it brings some jaw-dropping features like a 420MP camera, a massive 8200 mAh battery, and the latest Snapdragon chipset. But is this the ultimate flagship phone of 2025, or just another overhyped device? Let's find out. Motorola has been making waves in the smartphone industry, and the Moto Edge 70 Pro 5G is their boldest move yet. From a stunning display to unmatched battery life, this phone seems to have it all. But does it actually live up to the expectations? Let's break it down. The Moto Edge 70 Pro 5G features a 6.7-inch FHD OLED display with HDR10 support. This means richer colors, deeper contrasts, and sharp details for an immersive viewing experience. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or scrolling through social media, the 120Hz refresh rate ensures buttery smooth animations and seamless interactions. And let's not forget the curved edges that add to its premium feel, making the phone not just powerful but also elegant. Performance. Under the hood, this phone is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, one of the most powerful and efficient chipsets in the market. It comes with 8GB or 12GB of RAM and storage options of 256GB or 512GB, ensuring lightning-fast performance, lag-free multitasking, and ample space for apps, games, and media. And of course, 5G connectivity means you'll get ultra-fast internet speeds for seamless browsing, gaming, and video streaming. Whether you're a gamer or a power user, this phone is built to handle everything you throw at it. Camera. Now, let's talk about the biggest highlight, the camera. The Moto Edge 70 Pro 5G is making headlines for its massive 420MP primary sensor, bringing DSLR-like quality to a smartphone. Expect incredible detail, superb low-light performance, and next-level clarity. 64MP ultra-wide lens, capturing more in a single frame. 32MP telephoto lens, perfect for zoom shots without losing quality. For selfies, the 32MP front camera delivers sharp, vibrant, and natural-looking photos. Plus, with AI-powered enhancements in modes like night mode, portrait mode, and pro mode, this phone is a photographer's dream. Battery. Power that lasts for days. What's the use of all these features if the battery doesn't last? Well, Motorola has completely changed the game with an insane 8200 mAh battery. This is one of the biggest batteries ever in a flagship smartphone, promising over 2 days of usage on a single charge, and when you finally do need to recharge, the 100W fast charging gets you back to full power in just minutes. And yes, wireless charging is also supported. It also comes with an IP68 rating, meaning it's dust and water resistant, so you don't have to worry about accidental spills or rain. Software, clean, fast, and customizable. The phone runs on Android 15 with MyUX, offering a near-stock Android experience with smooth animations, gesture controls, and deep customization options. No unnecessary bloatware, just pure speed and efficiency. It also includes enhanced security features, digital well-being tools, and Moto-exclusive gestures that make everyday tasks easier. Price, availability, launch date.so. How much does all this power cost? The Moto Edge 70 Pro 5G is expected to be priced between 50,000 Indian rupees and 55,000 Indian rupees for the base variant, 8GB RAM, 256GB storage. The higher storage variant will cost slightly more. The official launch date is expected in 2025, so stay tuned for updates. So, is the Moto Edge 70 Pro 5G worth your money? If you want a DSLR quality camera, flagship-level performance, a battery that outlasts almost every other phone, and a premium design, then this might be the best smartphone of 2025. But what do you think? Is this the ultimate flagship? Or do you prefer other brands like Samsung, Apple, or OnePlus? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth smartphone reviews.